So paid spying tools, are they worth it? Should you use them? Yes. So if you have the budget to, use paid spying tools, because when you're using paid spying tools, you don't have to put in as much manual work. You can use the same keywords in these paid spying tools to find competitors' landing pages, to find competitors' ads. It's point and click. You're going to see the best ads that are currently running when you use spy tools. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, spy tools come and go. No matter what you're doing in this business, there will be a spy tool that'll be working for 10 days, 3 months, 2 years, but spy tools all come and go. There was a big famous one called Big Ads, one of the best spying tools ever. It came, it lasted, and it's gone. But I'm going to show you the 2 spy tools that I use in my business, and pick either one. I'm going to show you both of them, ins and outs, and tips that you can implement in your campaign while you're spying on your competitors. Now, I want you to get your head spinning. I want you to start implementing all of this and then taking what I'm doing and then diving in. So, keep in mind, everything that you do ties in together when you're reverse engineering. You can take these paid tools and then you can find an ad and then you can do the exact same. Put it in SimilarWeb, reverse engineer, see where the redirect traffic is coming from, and dive into what the competitors are doing. So this is all about manual spying and paid spying. So now I'm going to dive right in and show you these tools to use. So once you're done manual spying, there's actually paid ways to do spying. So a couple tools I have here are AdEspresso, AdSpy, and Shop Genius. Now all of these have their pros and cons. AdEspresso is by far the cheapest, but what I want to do is show you an example. So GrabAds Media, I was looking at the Smart Home USB Spy Cam. So let's just open it up so we can take a look at it. So this is a USB spy camera, and yes, I want my 75% off. So now what we can do is we can plug that into spy tools. So not every paid spy tool is going to have the keywords exactly, so you may have to mix it up. So the very first one I'll show you is AdEspresso. We have your campaigns, new campaign, tools, services, university. So what you want to do is once you sign up for AdEspresso, now you do not have to sign up for paid tools, but this is just a shortcut if you're interested in not doing manual spying. This is another way of spying, just typing in keywords and seeing what's working. So right here I clicked on University and I clicked on Ads Gallery. So right here we can search down and we can see some examples of other people running campaigns, but it does not matter, whatever you want to run. So you can even come here, you can put in weight loss. And then we start seeing all offers for weight loss coming up down here. Now when you do this, pay attention to the ad copy and the creative. What pictures are they using and what videos are they using? So now, since we talked about the USB, let's just put on hidden camera. So let's see if we find our USB hidden camera. So I don't see anything for that. So I see right here we have an ad. So let me try another keyword. So let's try hidden USB camera. Let's try that. Click search. Now you can also narrow in on your search. You can do Facebook ads, desktop, right column, and for now we'll skip that. So let's see, and oh, I like this right here, 1.9 million views. This is really clickbaity right here, by the way, so this could actually work for an ad creative. So let's just open this right up. So right here we have the world's best USB, 50% off, get yours while it lasts. So based off of what the offer says now, when we look here, it says 75% off. So what we could do is if we use this ad right here and this offer, we could do, yes, I want my 75% off. So let's just go right over here. So right here it says 50% off. We'd want to change this to be 75% off. We want everything to be consistent from when the user sees the Facebook ad, they go to the landing page, and they go through our funnel to the affiliate offers. So let's just take a look. This is probably a Shopify store, or it can be also a ClickFunnels landing page. So we see ad copy that had worked because it's got 4 million views that we see now. Let's just click play, see what this video is. So burgery and hidden. So this is a great example of how a paid spy tool works. So now let's just go back And let's just click exit on that. And now keep in mind, try different keywords. When you seen I typed that in, hidden camera didn't work, but hidden USB camera brought those ads right up. So another variation we can type in, we can even type in teeth cleaning. I looked up that earlier. So teeth cleaning. And click, let's go to Facebook ads, click search. Alright, so $36 teeth cleaning. Let's see, you want to improve your mouth's health. So what I want you to do, if you decide that you want to use a paid spy tool, start going through and searching through competitors' ads. Now, another spy tool, let's go right back over to the drawing board. So we have ShopGenius and AdSpy. Both of those are good spy tools, but they both have variations. Now also, spy tools can get a little expensive. Some of them can range from $30 all the way to $250. Some even more expensive. Ad tools come and go. So let me show you ShopGenius. So now once you log into ShopGenius, this is exactly how it looks. Let's just put USB hidden camera. So this is actually something pretty cool that you can do. So you can actually save this, you can follow it, you can actually open up the Facebook page, the actual post. It'll bring you straight there. You can watch the video from Facebook. And then you can also see the landing page. When they say landing page, they're referring to whatever the link is in the bio. So we see this is a Google URL shortener. So let's just see the details on this first. So now when we get here, we can see all the stats on the page. We see that this offer is converting best in the United Kingdom, and they're actually running mobile. And I would say that 9 times out of 10 with an offer like this, mobile is going to convert better. But then we can actually look down and see what they're actually doing. So make sure to actually scroll down and look through all these stats whenever you're looking. So now let's scroll up. I'm going to show you a little trick now. So right here they have a HTTPS. This is a Google shortener link. That's a tracking link. Now you may be familiar with Google and you may be familiar with a tool called Bitly. Both of those have free tracking tools that you can use. So you can actually take this link and you can copy this. We want to know how much traffic is actually coming. We see they actually got 42 likes and 1 comment, but if we wanted to get inspiration and model this, let's just see how much traffic they actually get. So let's open up a tab. So right here, you want to paste it in, and you actually want to add a plus sign. And when you do this, you'll actually see how much traffic they're really getting to this offer. So we see 70,000 clicks. That's a lot of traffic to that. And Android was the bulk of the traffic, so now we know what device that they were targeting when they actually did mobile. And so let's see, let's scroll down, and let's see the geo. So they did get a lot of traffic from the US, Canada, alright, so they did get a lot of traffic. They must have set up some campaigns to run worldwide to get social proof. So this is just good information for us when we're actually reverse engineering our competition. So that got 70,000 clicks. I could do a lot of damage with 70,000 clicks. So in concluding, paid tools versus manual spying. If you're going to do competitive intelligence and you want to test it out, sign up for the trials and give it a shot. If you don't like it, cancel it. I love to do both. I'll come into the paid tools, I'll try them, I'll see if I can find winning angles and campaigns, but I do like to get down and dirty and just dive right into manual spying. You can find so many campaigns. Yes, it's a lot more work, but I personally feel with spy tools coming and going, you may have more better chance of actually doing manual spying for the long term, because you're going to see campaigns that are running today. With the paid tools, yes, they come and go, so don't get too comfortable when you choose one. So I'll see you in the next video.